Hello guys.
Right. Where you are.
Pardon?
Alright.
How you doing? You alright?
Just listen to what I'm going to say to you, okay?
Okay.
So the time is 1:46.
Yeah.
And you're currently under arrest on suspicion of common assault.
Me?
You don't have to say anything.
I've got it all on film, yeah?
Continue.
Yeah, I've got all this on
All right,
film.
You don't have to say anything, but it may harm defence. If you don't mention when questioned,
I'm under
something
arrested,
which you later
yeah?
on in court, anything you do say may give it an evidence.
Okay.
Let's put it that way.
Okay, I'm turning it off.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, not a problem, yeah? Miss, I've got all... Miss, sir, I've got all this on film. I've been arrested.
What?
Yeah, I've been arrested.
Okay.
I've got all this on film. I've got it all on a live stream on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to take it off.
I haven't been. Do you know what I mean? I haven't assaulted anybody.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
First and foremost, I can show you this film right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you're happy to do so.
Yeah, not a problem.
Perfect.
Yeah, not a problem. Yeah.
If you get up for us,
Yeah.
I'm just gonna have a chat with these guys.
So, am I still under arrest? Do you want to de-arrest just for the time being?
At the moment, we'll keep you under arrest.
Okay.
If you show us the footage, we'll go from there.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. Can you? What time is? So 11:46. 11:45. You arrested me. Yeah.
1:46.
Yeah, 1:46. 11. Yeah, 1:46. Yeah, not 11:46.
So what are you guys doing here today?
So I go round. I film all hotels, migrant hotels, up and down the country. I've not assaulted anybody because I do this all the time. Do you know what I mean? Like,
It's just what the allegation we got was.
I know, but I've had so many false allegations made against me from staff. I've been accused of having a knife.
Oh, good, you have cameras in.
Exactly. Do you know what I mean? Exactly. Yeah. It's just going to take me maybe like a couple of minutes.
Sync up with the GoPro.
Yeah, this will just link. It's just connected now.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we can just go straight back in then to look at the footage. Yeah. The only thing he's going to say, I was smoking a cigarette, and I said to him, if you keep coming in front of me and I'm walking, the cigarette may burn you. Yeah. Which is a fair comment. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Which is a fair comment. Yeah.
Just for his safety, really.
Might be better for me to show you.
Catering station. Yeah.
Might be better for me just to go on to like the live thing because I've got very poor internet here, just 4G, so it may not. Yeah, so it was live to YouTube. Yeah, I'm not going to do anything where I'm going to broadcast myself committing a crime. Do you know what I mean?
I get that.
I understand. Yeah, that yous obviously have got a job to do. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely.
But now, when we do prove this to be false, I will be expecting you to arrest them for making false allegations. Yeah.
Okay.
We'll
come to that. Let's just get just one bit better.
Yeah. Let me just see if we can. Let me just see if because it's easier for me to go on the GoPro. Yeah. Because then I can.
Today, we're witnessing a confrontation where every word, reaction, and objection has the power to flip the entire case. The judge has a reputation for being firm yet balanced, and the atmosphere is already tense as attorneys gear up for a legal showdown. Pay close attention. Unexpected turns and startling revelations about the marriage come to light. What begins as a minor disagreement quickly transforms into a full-blown courtroom drama. Stay with us as we break down each crucial moment, expose inconsistencies, and capture the emotional intensity unfolding in the room. And remember, don't look away, because a single mistake could change the outcome entirely.
That's what I'm saying. You can see from that, you know, I haven't committed no assault, you know.
Do it just because the way we sometimes handle it is have a look at the footage ourselves and do it more slow time, and then we can sort of NFA it that way, or do you know what I mean? We'll do.
I know what you're saying. Yeah.
Let's see what they have to say. Because I'm sure my colleague will either watch the footage or he's going to speak to our supervisor.
Yeah.
Because normally it's difficult because most people arrested don't have footage on them, so we can't disprove or prove it straight away. That's why we arrest people, because it's on suspicion of.
Yeah.
But this is a bit of a unique situation where you've got it on your chest.
But you're happy that you've seen it, and you can see from that footage I haven't assaulted anybody.
But I'm sure he wants to see the other angle if that's what he's doing. I'm not sure, but yeah.
Well, it doesn't matter, because if they're behind me, I can't assault somebody from behind.
Well,
you know.
not that, but no,
exactly.
I agree with that.
Do you know what I mean?
It's completely, yeah. You can't eyes the back of your head.
Exactly. So. You know.
But yeah.
Bravo 210. Bravo 210. Bravo 210, go ahead. Thank you. Would you be able to assist with some grade 2 ASB coming in for
Literally, we just come out here now because we're going to fly our drone over.
Ah,
So, you know, like we can actually take off there if we wanted to.
but
Yeah,
yes,
we can, you know, like,
can
but
have something
we
to
thought, you
say.
know what, we'll come out here, we're just going to look for an open spot through the clouds, or through the
Good
trees,
visibility, yeah.
and actually go over and take it
From
in.
the very beginning, the atmosphere feels charged. The plaintiff and defendant speak in a controlled manner, but the emotions beneath the surface are unmistakable. Pay attention to the judge's subtle cues, slightly raised brows, brief pauses, and faint smirks that suggest doubt. At the same time, the attorneys are already probing one another, dropping hints and challenging each other's credibility. These early remarks may appear minor, but they lay the groundwork for the intense moments that are about to unfold.
Don't know what we're doing yet, but just, yeah, stay
What's
off
your
the
name and
phone.
number, by the way?
PC Cosmatus 4048.
And where you based at?
Caterham.
Caterham, yeah.
Thank you. Yourself for 1612. Look at. Thank you. Your awareness for getting a service called in.
I just wonder what I'm going to do is quickly, I'll do it in front of you,
Yeah.
just so you can see. What I'm going to do is,
Still recording the matter.
I'm going to,
Also possibly by another GoPro.
I'm not in the road, buddy. These are in the road. I'm just going to privatise this one, yeah, just so it's not online, you know, because I don't want to jeopardise any, you know, criminal case, because ultimately they've lied. You know what I mean? They've made false allegations, and
Just to make you aware, we've got 2 in custody, we are with some the 2 are aware and accepting.
Fair enough.
that's not us 2 in custody, is it?
No. No.
As long as they got
Just
a
you for the
vegan salad.
moment until we decide
see
what we're
ya.
doing. Well, you can leave if you really want to, yeah. You're not under
No,
arrest.
yeah, wait with me, yeah.
Uh-uh.
Miss, you can see we're not aggressive or anything. Do you know what
No,
I mean? Like,
but,
you can see that. You know,
the way
like-
we handle these sort of things is when we get an allegation, we'll go in and act on that allegation and then go from there. But as I said, you've got cameras on your, on you, so it
So really,
makes it a very different situation.
telling these ones, Miss, you know what I mean? Like, you shouldn't lie to get the police to come. I had one at Siswood in Gatwick as well. Well, not in Gatwick, Horsham, Siswood Hotel.
Yeah, awesome.
So I had one there, and they told the police he's got a knife. He's trying to break into the hotel
Oh, really?
with a knife. And I didn't know this. Do you know what I mean? So I'm just strolling around. Next thing I know, police have come, grabbed me straight away, searched me, didn't find no knife. Then they've unsearched me. Then they said I assaulted one of them. The copper said, look, let us see the footage. PC Flynn it was, yeah, from Horsham.
Memory.
Yeah.
Was it this recently? Is that why you remember the name?
No, it was about a few months ago. The reason I remembered it, because I sent him the whole footage, because I said, look, I want to make a case against these people now, yeah, because this is not right. Do you know what I mean? Like, imagine if you get a trigger-happy copper that comes, thinks you've got a knife and tasers you. Imagine if I had heart
Oh
problem.
no, we don't go to those extremes unless we can see one.
Miss, I come
Unless there's
from London.
This is where the situation really takes a turn. A witness takes the stand and delivers testimony that could determine the entire direction of the case. Pay attention to the small signs, the pauses, the posture, the voice inflection. These subtle details reveal more than the words alone. At the same time, crucial evidence is brought forward that contradicts earlier claims, adding new layers to the narrative. This is the point where the audience needs to stay sharp, because a few details here could completely alter the final outcome.
And then he must have given them a warning and said to them, listen, we'll arrest him if you make a statement, no problem. But if that proves that he's innocent, then you could find yourself in trouble.
Well, your badge is under scrutiny.
So then
you
he
have a license.
So then he come back then and said, look, they don't want to press no charges. So I don't need to see the footage. So I was like, look, there you go. Do you know what I mean? You can see clear as day. Do you know what I mean?
This is 202, go ahead.
So whereabouts do you live? Are you from around here, or you come a long way? Kind of travel all over.
I do travel all over the place.
Is this like a full-time thing for you?
No, I've got my own business as well.
Okay.
It was just, I just go around and on my spare days, I make little videos, Like I say, I probably had 6 or 7 false allegations made against myself. Luckily enough, I've always managed to prove it. That's why I wanted to get my solicitor on the phone now as well. Yeah, so then we could start, because if they're going to, we could start discussing law then, do you know what I mean? And it can be like, hold on a minute, like, this is not...
The cross-examination, the height of the drama. The attorney skillfully digs into inconsistencies, and you can see the opposing side starting to lose their footing. Watch the judge's subtle reactions. Those small expressions often reveal more than any spoken comment. A cross-examination isn't just about uncovering facts. It's a mental contest that tests confidence and honesty. Pay close attention to every objection, interruption, and cleverly worded jab. This segment is pure tension, making an ideal moment to stay locked in. Ask yourself, would you stand firm here, or would the pressure get to you?
Your perspective, I don't see you going like that or anything like that, but I need to see this angle because I can't see everything from... No, but I can't see...
You can. It's there. Do you know what I mean? Look, if I show you the...
Yeah, I know.
Look.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Do you know what I mean? If my hands go in front of me, yeah, there's no two ways about it. Do you know what I mean?
I know that one, yeah, of course, someone's behind you. It's very different.
Even in front, do you know what I mean? If somebody puts his, if I put my hand like this on to grab his camera, he's allowed to move it away.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? The moment they make a forward gesture towards you, that's classed as assault.
You know what's happening, right?
Yeah.
You know, and I haven't made no forward gestures toward anybody.
What?
Not that I can see on that footage, no. So.